nothing you can try to hide. 'Cause there was someone that I thought I knew. Oscar for the treason, a lifetime achievement, starting a new season. Welcome to the green room. This road is your kingdom, built on pain, my own pain. And there is nothing you can say or do, and there is nothing you can try to hide. 'Cause there was someone that I thought I knew. I let your memory go down in flames. This chilling emptiness you got inside. 'Cause there was someone that I thought I knew. Welcome to my life too. Attitude freedom. Go back to your stage, to your fake crown, and drink into my freedom. Freedom. And there is nothing you can say or do, and there is nothing you can try to hide. Once there was someone that I thought I knew.